Hey hustlers, welcome back to Money Hustle 360, where we turn your dreams into dollars. Today, we're diving into 10 AI-powered side hustles that can make you rich in 2025. With the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, there are countless opportunities to leverage these tools for profit. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a full-fledged business, these side hustles are perfect for you. So grab your notebooks because you won't want to miss these insights. Let's get started. First up, AI content creation. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai, you can generate high-quality written content in minutes. Businesses are always in need of blog posts, social media updates, and marketing copy. You can offer your services as a freelance content creator using AI to speed up your workflow. Many content creators charge $50 or more per hour, and with AI you can take on more clients without sacrificing quality. Imagine being able to produce multiple articles in a day that would typically take you hours to write. You can also specialize in niches like health, finance, or technology, which often pay higher rates. Just remember to add your unique touch to the content to ensure it resonates with your audience. Plus, you can create your own blog or YouTube channel to showcase your writing skills and attract clients organically. Next, let's talk about AI-powered graphic design. Tools like Canva's Magic Write and DALL-E allow you to create eye-catching graphics and illustrations without needing extensive design skills. You can offer your services to businesses needing logos, social media graphics, or marketing materials. With the demand for visual content skyrocketing, this is a lucrative side hustle. Plus, you can charge $25 to $100 per design, depending on complexity. To get started, familiarize yourself with these AI tools and create a portfolio showcasing your designs. You can even offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or 99 Designs. As you build your reputation, you can increase your rates and attract higher-paying clients. And don't forget to network with other designers and potential clients on social media platforms like LinkedIn and Instagram. Social media management is another area where AI can help you shine. Tools like Hootsuite and Buffer use AI to analyze engagement and suggest optimal posting times. You can offer your services to small businesses that need help managing their social media presence. By leveraging AI, you can create content calendars, schedule posts, and analyze performance, all while saving time. Many social media managers earn $50 or more per hour, and with AI, you can handle multiple clients efficiently. To get started, learn the ins and outs of various social media platforms and their algorithms. Create a few sample posts for different businesses to showcase your skills. You can also take online courses to improve your social media marketing knowledge. As you gain experience, consider offering additional services like social media advertising or influencer outreach to increase your income. Online tutoring is evolving with AI. Platforms like Khan Academy and Coursera are integrating AI to personalize learning experiences. You can become an online tutor and use AI tools to create customized lesson plans and study materials for your students. This not only enhances the learning experience, but also allows you to take on more students. Depending on your subject expertise, you can charge $20 to $100 per hour. To get started, identify your area of expertise and create a profile on tutoring platforms like VIPKid or Tutor.com. Use AI tools to generate quizzes, flashcards, and other learning materials that can help your students succeed. As you build your reputation, you can increase your rates and even create your own online courses to reach a wider audience. Market research is crucial for businesses, and AI can streamline this process. Tools like Crayon and SEMrush use AI to analyze market trends and consumer behavior. You can offer your services to businesses looking for insights into their target market. By providing valuable data and analysis, you can charge $50 to $150 per hour. This side hustle is perfect for those with a knack for research and analytics. To get started, familiarize yourself with various market research tools and techniques. Create a portfolio showcasing your research skills and insights. You can also network with local businesses or startups that may need market research assistance. As you gain experience, consider specializing in a specific industry to attract higher-paying clients. E-commerce is booming, and AI can help you maximize your profits. Use AI tools like Shopify's AI features or Amazon's recommendation engine to optimize your online store. You can start a dropshipping business or sell your own products, using AI to analyze customer preferences and improve your marketing strategies. With the right approach, you can easily make $1,000 or more per month in profit. To get started, choose a niche that interests you and research trending products. Set up your online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce and integrate AI tools to enhance the shopping experience. Focus on marketing your store through social media and email campaigns. As your business grows, consider expanding your product line or exploring new marketing channels to increase your revenue. Video content is king, and AI-powered video editing tools like Magisto and InVideo can help you create stunning videos quickly. You can offer your services to businesses or content creators who need help with video production. With AI, you can automate editing tasks, add effects, and even generate captions. Many video editors charge $50 plus per hour, and with AI, you can take on more projects without burning out. To get started, familiarize yourself with various video editing tools and techniques. Create a portfolio showcasing your editing skills by working on sample projects or collaborating with local businesses. As you gain experience, consider specializing in a specific niche, such as promotional videos or social media content, to attract higher-paying clients. Personal finance is a hot topic, and AI can help you provide valuable insights. Use AI tools like Mint or YNAB to analyze clients' financial situations and create personalized budgets. You can offer your services as a personal finance consultant, helping clients save money and reach their financial goals. Depending on your expertise, you can charge $50 to $200 per hour for your consulting services. To get started, familiarize yourself with various personal finance tools and strategies. Create a website or social media presence to showcase your expertise and attract clients. As you build your reputation, consider offering additional services like investment advice or retirement planning to increase your income. Podcasts are more popular than ever, and AI can help you produce high-quality audio content. Use tools like Descript or Auphonic to edit and enhance podcast episodes. You can offer your services to podcasters who need help with editing, sound quality, and even show notes. Many podcast producers charge $50 or more per hour, and with AI, you can streamline the production process. To get started, familiarize yourself with various podcast editing tools and techniques. Create a portfolio showcasing your editing skills by working on sample projects or collaborating with local podcasters. As you gain experience, consider specializing in a specific niche, such as true crime or business podcasts, to attract higher-paying clients. Finally, let's talk about AI-enhanced real estate analysis. Use AI tools like Zillow or Redfin to analyze property values and market trends. You can offer your services to real estate investors looking for insights into potential investments. By providing valuable data and analysis, you can charge $50 to $150 per hour. This side hustle is perfect for those with an interest in real estate and data analysis. To get started, familiarize yourself with various real estate analysis tools and techniques. Create a portfolio showcasing your analysis skills and insights. You can also network with local real estate agents or investors who may need assistance with market research. As you gain experience, consider specializing in a specific type of real estate, such as residential or commercial properties, to attract higher-paying clients. Now that you know the 10 AI-powered side hustles, here are some tips for success. Stay updated on AI trends. The world of AI is constantly evolving. Keep yourself informed about the latest tools and technologies to stay ahead of the competition. Network with other professionals. Join online communities, attend webinars, and connect with others in your field. Networking can lead to valuable opportunities and collaborations. Build a strong online presence. Create a website or social media profiles to showcase your skills and attract clients. Share your work, engage with your audience, and establish yourself as an expert in your niche. Be consistent. Success doesn't happen overnight. Stay committed to your side hustle, and don't be afraid to adapt and learn along the way. Seek feedback. Always be open to feedback from clients and peers. Constructive criticism can help you improve your skills and grow your business. And there you have it, 10 AI-powered side hustles that can make you rich in 2025. Which hustle are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, hustle smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.